In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically generate unique invoice numbers in Google Sheets so your records stay clean and professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your Google Sheet and go to the column where you want your invoice numbers. Click on the first empty cell where your numbering should start. Now, type a formula that combines today's date with a running number. This helps ensure every invoice is unique and easy to track. Once you press enter, you'll see your first invoice number appear with a date and a sequence number. Next, drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell downward. This will automatically generate new invoice numbers for each row. As you drag, each invoice number updates with a new sequence, keeping everything organized and consistent. This method is perfect because it avoids duplicates and gives your invoices a professional format that's easy to sort and reference. And that's it. You can now create unique invoice numbers automatically in seconds inside Google Sheets. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.